Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Joseph here from Waterman Plumbing, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the fan in a Bradford White Aerotherm series. So this is a water heater with a heat pump, and the problem we're having is that the fan has failed, and so what we're going to need to do is replace it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is take off this back cover here, and as long as we have 7 inches of clearance in between there and the tank, we should be fine with regards to replacing the fan. Let's get to it. All right, so unfortunately there's no easy way to do this. You really got to take apart the whole heat pump, so the shrouds and the sides, and once you do that, this here is the fan. So there's just a few screws, about 4 screws per side. You're going to take those off and then just push it up, and it should slide right out.